Nothing Phone 2 has got a major camera focus enhancement and it is labeled as Nothing OS 2.0.2. You get better clarity in 50 megapixel mode. You get better stability and contrast when recording videos. You could improve photo quality in low light, better contrast, improved bokeh, and optimize clarity of faces in portrait mode and faster HDR processing speed. The selfie camera also gets enhanced photo clarity, improved quality in low light, and faster HDR processing. New feature include the phone shutting down app when it reaches its temperature limit, a refined out of control battery visual when the phone is off, and new different icon added for each of the Nothing Audio products in the volume control. The updates include July 2023 security patch, a new haptic feedback strength when typing, improved responsiveness of the touchscreen, and network reliability for multiple global carriers, enhanced performance of some games while playing HDR, and other improvement in system stability. Issues with direct audio, Google Wallet, and Bluetooth quick settings has been fixed, as well as double tap to wake was sometimes unresponsive that has been fixed. There are other general fixes also that has been applied. You can check it out, and this update seems to be a major update, but the MB size is small, only around 98 MB.